This is the Bulgarian embassy?
Yes.
Do you have a media spokesperson that I could speak to?
1 second. Hello, Petr Nikolai speaking.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good, thank you. How can I help you?
Sir, my name is Sasha Uzanov. I'm an Australian journalist. I'm calling you from Melbourne, and I have some media questions for you.
Yes. What is it about?
It's about the good neighbourly agreement between Bulgaria and Macedonia, sir.
Yes. Well, I'm not authorized to make any comments without an approval from our ministry, from our headquarters.
Okay, I just wanted to know, will Bulgaria be pushing for the Holocaust Museum in Macedonia to be closed as part of this agreement?
Well, I cannot make any comment without the authorization from our headquarters.
No.
If you have any questions, if you could send them to the email of the embassy, and I will seek information from our headquarters, and I will get back to you.
Okay, and your name again is, sir?
My name is Petr Nikolaev.
Petr Nikolaev.
Yes, P-E-T-A-R.
Yes.
Nikolaev is spelled N-I-K.
Yes.
O-L-A-E-V-A-E-V. Yes.
No worries, sir. Thank you very much for your help.
If you could send it either to embassy@bulgaria.org.au
Okay.
or to embassy.canberra@mfa.bg.
Not a worry, sir. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.